Assalamu alaikum grade 6s. So today we are continuing with decimal notation. Let's look at time in decimal notation. Number 1. Write your answer in common fractions. A. 30 minutes equals what fraction of an hour? As you all know, an hour equals 60 minutes. Okay? So for example, if you are moving from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 60 minutes have passed in 1 hour. Now, let's look at it on a timeline. Okay, we can look at it on a timeline, or we can just use this for example. Right, now when our minute hand is moving right around the clock, when it goes around the whole clock, 60 minutes have passed. Okay, if it passes just a quarter of the clock, 15 minutes have passed. When it passes half the clock and ends up here at 6, it has moved 30 minutes. When it has moved 3/4 to 9, it has moved 45 minutes, and when it moves right up until 12, it has moved a full 60 minutes. Now don't get me confused, I'm talking about the minute hand, not the hour hand. Okay, right. So in A, it's talking about 30 minutes. Now we know that when the minute hand moves to 1, it moves 5 minutes. When it moves to 2, it moves 10 minutes. When it moves to 3, it moves 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So when the minute hand moves 30 minutes, it is actually moving half the clock. Okay, so you should all know what half means. Okay, 1/2. Okay, so 30 minutes actually equals half an hour. Okay, I want you guys to do the rest for me. Also, please take this down in your notebooks before you start the activity, because this here is very important for you to understand. Okay, for you to memorize. You would have seen it in your activity yesterday. Now let's look at this one. Write the answers in decimal fractions. Now, just like how you put 30 minutes equals half an hour, you put that as a fraction. Now we are going to do the decimal. Now half also equals to 0.5. So 30 minutes equals 0.5 hours. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Assalamu alaikum.